How to check original Kirkland minoxidil. Alright? The label should be glossy. Okay? And this is the new labeling. This is the date. February 18, 2026. New labeling. Then, at the bottom, you will see circle. And then L at the L 86. The number 86 with a letter L. Then the recycle logo with a form of a triangle. There's a number 2 inside of it. Then number 28. Then, as you can see at the back, there's a recycle logo again. Then, turn the bottle like this. Look for the small fine print, how to recycle that info. Now, you need to open the bottle. You need to see the inside of it. It should be light yellow. And then you need to smell it. It should be a unique smell of minoxidil. Then that's it. You will see made in Israel but distributed by Costco Wholesale US. Then there's a Costco.com. So this should be the placement of the labeling. Directions, then made, then expiration. It's November. Then if it's November, it should be FN. The expiration date is November 27, 2027. Then direction, then read and keep the carton. Then do not use, then it should be the fine print. Then the small circle like here and a gray one. Then the serial number. Alright, so that's the physical checking once you receive the item from the item. Okay? Now, let's check if what will happen after a month. Okay, that's will happen after a month. If you are using dropper, crystallization show up because the dropper sometimes it creates some droppings. Then the crystallization form. This will happen after a month. See that? It spill out. Same thing, glossy. Same thing, how to recycle that info. Same thing at the bottom, L86, 28. Now, 3 months ago, what happened? Same thing, crystallization happens. Right? And then, it's glossy. The how to recycle that info, the recycle logo, the recycle L86. It should be glossy, shiny label. This is the placement, right placement. So now, you will see the difference, the three of them. Okay? They are all original, they are all the same, they are all the same label. Now let's go at the back. See the placement, direction, okay, the logo, the expiration, the fine print. Now, another angle here, it's the same. Then go back to the front. Okay? Then now at the bottom. Let's see at the bottom. They are all the same. Triangle with a recycle logo, number 2 inside of it. L86. Then on the number 28. So they are all the same. They are all the same. Okay? So look for the sign of this original Kirkland minoxidil. So I made this intentionally in English for us to all understand, all languages, all over the world. The cheapest form of minoxidil is the topical solution, alcohol form solution, topical, directly applied to the skin, Kirkland. minoxidil. This is the cheapest minoxidil, and you will see this is the original Kirkland minoxidil if you will check individually in a one bottle. Now let's try to open and let's see. You will see the bottle and this one. Yes, that's the original. And the bottle. All right, and it will only get residue if you're using a dropper. That's it. Period. No one else. No information at all that will add up. That's the original. That is the legitimate, authentic right here.